Welcome back. I'm actually just gonna start doing these a bit more often. Not sure how often until full-time YouTube is achieved, but I'm just gonna run this through because there's a few things that popped up that you might want to keep an eye on, especially for those of you in the southeast. This goes for Florida too. And I'm talking about winter weather. Especially around December 5th. Yeah, that system we want to keep an eye on. Snow as far south as Florida. That's what it's calling for. And it does include parts of the panhandle of Florida with snow. Yeah. Tallahassee may see snow. Yeah, southern Georgia, there's blue and not just the lines there. Keep in mind, this is for December 5th. It's November 24th, so this will likely change, but it's a bit more persistent on a snowstorm for the southeast. For my area, it happens to dodge the winter side of it and just get basic rain. But yeah, this is gonna be a nasty, nasty system. So yeah, stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye.